Intel NUC here, the latest one. Now, if it was like the last one, once you open it up, there it goes, plays a tune. Oh, do that again. And that's it. Mickey Mouse connector, no power cable. Make sure you got one. The NUC itself, this is the one that suits the 2.5-inch IDE, SATA drive. There is a slightly shorter profile one which doesn't. So you've got DisplayPort, HDMI, gigabit networking, a couple of HDMI 3s, USB 3s, and a couple more at the front. Now it does have an infrared receiver and headphone output. We're going to take it apart and come back to you in a sec. So we've just got standard Phillips head screws to open. Let's see how this comes apart. There we go. Back chassis, internal, space for a hard drive. This comes out. There you go. There's your space for your low voltage RAM. Now I've gone a bit overboard with my RAM. I've got two 8 gig sticks for the full 16 gig support and a 240 gig or 256 gig solid state drive. Come down a bit in price, although one day people will look at this and have a little laugh at 256 gigabyte. Okay. One in. These are little Kingston sticks. Two in. Now this one came. A little bonus, I got a free wireless module. Let's have a look where this goes. It would be in these here. You can see over this area here. And here are our little connectors. You can take those. There's the wireless module installed. So we can close this up. We've got to get the hard drive installed. Looks to me like, oh no, that might be able to stay there. Put that back in. Put some screws on the side here. Obviously a hard drive, meaning in this case, although you could use a hard drive, this is going to be a solid state drive. Well, solid state drive's mounted in this little chassis just with 2 screws. Slide it in and down, and then we'll just screw it back up. The little screws, big screwdriver. There we go. 2 more. One in here. Oh, where's my last screw gone? Story of my life. Here it is. Now I did detach this power just to get to that screw, so I'll plug that back in. Now, in theory, that's assembled. So we'll just put the thing back together and then we'll power it up. Got some little Visa mounting screws by the looks of it here. Something like that. Done.